What's up, guys? In this video we'll be looking at Jasmy price update. I'll try my best possible to make the chart analysis understandable for newbies. This is the Jasmy chart on the daily time frame, and if we should zoom in, you will notice we still have a long way to go for Jasmy. Let's just zoom in real quick. So these are series of price target area for we to look out for Jasmy. They are likely to get hit, and yeah, so if you're contemplating on whether to buy Jasmine, yes, and also no in the sense that if the amount you are contemplating, you are intending to invest in Jasmine, is not the amount you can afford to lose, I would advise you stay out of the market. And but if it's your spare money you can play with, and then you're free to go, because from my own opinion, I think Jasmine has already bottomed. You understand? So if you're looking at the market cap is less than $1 billion market cap. That is to tell you this project can still go up massively in the long term, in time to come, probably in the next bull market cycle. Before the next bull market cycle, we are likely to witness a continuous climb in the market cap. You understand? And considering almost this maximum supply of the token in circulation, almost all the token are in circulation right now. 95% of the maximum supply are in circulation, which is a bullish signal also, because we don't have to maybe worry about future unlock of the tokens. You understand? Because almost all the tokens are already in circulation, so that's another bullish signal. And also, if you're looking at the watch list, there are less than 200,000 people that are having Jasmine token on their watch list. So we are yet to get to 1 million, and we haven't even reached 1 million yet. By the time Jasmine get to 500k, it's going to be something else, man. The price is going to move extremely well. And if you're looking at the trading volume on centralized exchange in the last 24 hours, trading volume is sitting at $36 million. That's a very good amount. Well, the truth of the matter is the trading volume has reduced significantly due to the overall market crash, because the overall market is witnessing a little bit of pullback, and a healthy correction is needed for the market to go higher. You understand? So there's no cause for alarm, not at all. So back to the chart. So if you're looking at Jasmy on the daily time frame, we have a very see, let me just say something now, before, in case, for those of you that are new to my channel, my name is Isaac, and I make videos about cryptocurrencies and investment, and also technical analysis. Yeah, so the link to our various group will be in the description of this video. Also, for those that are new to the crypto space, and also in intermediate that wish to maybe expand their knowledge, relearn, unlearn, and also yeah, learn more things about crypto space, the link to this course will be in the description of this video. Feel free to click the first link in the description of this video to grab your own copy. So yeah, so back to the chart, and looking at the chart right now, you notice this potential resistant area we have here. We got rejected from here at around on Wednesday, 8th February 2023. We got a massive rejection from there, downward about 20 something percent dump. You understand? From that point has acted as series of support 1, support 2, support 3. It started from that support area started from May 2022. You understand? We acted as support there. We acted as support in June 2022, massive support in July 2022, another massive support in August 2022, and then we lost the support area in September 2022 and got rejected from there. Ever since then, we've been trading below that support area, which is now a potential resistance area. So we made an attempt on February 8th 2023. We got to that previous support area, which is now a resistance area. We got rejected from there, and now we are trading below it. So the truth of the matter is, Jasmine is trading close to this next support area at around 0.00506. The moment we're losing that support area, we should expect a 24% dump. Let me just say almost 25% dump to the next support area at around 0.00383. And yeah, but the moment we're losing 0.0383, we are likely to still bounce back, you understand, immediately, because I think the bottom for Jasmine is in already. So in my own opinion, whatever I say in this video is strictly my own opinion, I don't see the price going any lower than the 0.00383. You understand, for Jasmine. So let's look at the potential upside scenario for Jasmine for the short term, for the immediate moment. For the moment, we are likely to see a price, as long as we are holding up this support area very well, we are likely to see price straight to around 0.0056, and also we are likely to see price profit target, major profit target one. Well, this area are also major profit target one, because you get to get quick 5% there, you understand. Good. But the major profit target one here is 0.00596. You understand? The moment we get there, we should expect almost 17% pump, right? From where the price is now, we should expect 17% pump. And profit target 2 is around 0.00643. Profit target 3, 0.00692. And also profit target 4, 0.00752. The resistance area now, which acted as support area a couple of months, several months ago, is likely to be our final profit target for the short term, you get, which we should expect is 67% pump for Jasmy. Jasmy is expected to pump 67% in order to get to this resistance area. And oh my god, it's going to be massive, like seriously. The moment we are losing that, the moment we are able to break past and conquer this resistance area for Jasmy at around 0.0085, which you're seeing right here, the moment we are able to conquer that resistance area, closing few daily candles above it, oh my god, it's going to be an easy pump to the this other profit target area in green, this green dot, at around 0.01, that is at around 1 cent, you understand. And from there we can still easily move to 0.01228, you understand, for Jasmine. So let's just check potential pump from that area, from this potential upcoming resistance area for Jasmine. So for we to get to this other profit target, we need 25% pump from this 0.0085, you understand. And for we to get to this other profit target, we will need almost we will need 45% pump, you understand, for we to get to that profit target area for Jasmine. And we also have another final profit target area here before the bull market cycle, which is around 0.01431, you understand. So those are just short-term profit target. In the long term, in the long run, for Jasmy is likely to go 50x, you understand. I know what I'm saying, man. I've witnessed Jasmy performance in the last bull market cycle. Jasmy is not just anyhow meme coins, meme tokens out there. They're here to stay, and they're here for business, you understand. So they are listed on almost all the major exchanges you can think of in the crypto space already. So yeah, so that's that for Jasmy. Let's just check BTC out real quick. So if you're looking at BTC, the CME futures, I've been talking about this for a while now. The CME futures for BTC, we have an unfilled gap at around $19,000 and also $20,000 level for BTC, and that's the one closest to the price action right now. And we also have another unfilled gap right here. If you're looking at the chart, we also have another unfilled gap right here between $28,000 and $27,000 level for BTC. Well, unfilled gap, each time there's a gap like this for the CME, it's not guaranteed that the gap must get filled. Sometimes I've witnessed sometimes which price will just keep moving and not fill the gap, you get. So but regardless of whatever happens, we are likely to have one of these gaps filled anytime soon. But let's check this final weekly time frame chart before we call it a day on this video. If you're looking at the weekly time frame, we'll be following this weekly time frame chart for a while now, and as long as we're not losing this $21,500 level, there's no cause for alarm. The overall cryptocurrency market is still safe. But the moment BTC is losing this level, oh my god, we are going to be moving downward to where we came from, which is around 19, 18, 17, and also $16,000 level. My name is Isaac. As always, invest the amount you can afford for to lose. Peace out.